Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your warranty on DELL Latitude 5420. At first we'll need to know our serial number. So to do that, flip your laptop over and look at what's at the sticker, at the white sticker most probably. And it'll be marked with ST. This is the serial number. I'm just gonna take a picture of it so I can enter it later in a moment. Okay, I have it, and now you need to go to a browser, and in the browser search for DELL Warranty check. Then go to Support, Services and Warranty on the DELL website and enter the service tag, which in my case is 9KCV5D3. And you can see my support has ended on July 30, 2024. You can extend it or renew it. And yeah, that's everything about it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.